Europe return. US return.
Coordinator and Mr. Sujit Kumar, our non-Norwegian. Thank you so much, sir, for your precious time to this our new leadership outlet here at Mاگام. Thank you so much.
Very very happy today to be here Mاگام. कुछ महीने पहले आए थे मैं और जी जस्ट टू लुक दिस प्लेस और जिस तरीके से कश्मीर डेवलप कर रहा है, जिस तरीके से मार्केट डेवलप कर रहा है, जिस तरीके से हुंडई को आप नए नए मुकाम पे पहुंचा रहे हो, डेफिनेटली दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स दैट. आई थिंक congratulations towards you for your first RSO outlet at Mاگام, and this is just the beginning. This is the beginning because we have many more to go going forward. Okay, so congratulations once again. All the best to the team and to all of you. Good job और अच्छा करोगे और हमेशा अच्छा करते रहो. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to meet you. And yes, big congratulations all of you. 3 months back, I think 3 months. It's a very amazing job. Actually, it's more than my expectation. It was very super fast, complete, good setup, and it's very awesome as well. And yes, my another big congratulations to HK Hyundai is you are the only dealership, only platinum dealership in Jammu and Kashmir territory. And our team, and our team also is here, and definitely our support also will going on further. So this year I also very much expecting from you as a maybe platinum leadership. So definitely we will support you, and we will go along with you. Thank you and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So I would like to add just few things here. First of all, hearty congratulations to Umarji for the first RSO. As of now, we were a paint dealership only. So now RSO, we need to work very very hard. It's altogether a different way of working. While coming from airport, we were realizing that 10,000 industry volume, if like Srinagar total industry volume is only 5,000, 10,000 is outside Srinagar, which needs to be tapped. So our more and more such RSOs are required from Umarji to cover the entire length and breadth of Srinagar, Kashmir, and to increase the numbers. Thank you so much. That's all.
Let's do a very good job. It's just nearby. Yeah. Yes, so definitely let's look at. This is a much better facility, much more grand facility. Definitely with the strength of the team here, led by you, led by Murli, we did a very wonderful job. And as we are going in Kashmir, as we are going in Srinagar, we should really do very good numbers, and really make our customers very happy in Mاگام. All the best.
always used to run. Best outward performance in the month of June.
Congratulations.
Mr. Alta. Mr. Alta. I need
आज हम यहाँ पे एक अपना रेडियो सेल्स आउटलेट मागम में इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं स्पेशली फॉर बडगाम कस्टमर्स के लिए जिनके पास अभी यहाँ पे कोई भी रिटेल सेल्स आउटलेट अवेलेबल नहीं था। तो आज से हमने डेडिकेटेड बडगाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट के लिए अपना सेल्स आउटलेट ले दिया है। तो जहाँ पे जितने भी Hyundai लवर्स हैं वो Hyundai की गाड़ियाँ हमारे साइड से यहाँ पे खरीद सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे बेस्ट रिटेल सेल्स आउटलेट होगा, इसमें हर कोई चीज़ यहाँ पे मैसर होगा। बात करें डिस्काउंट्स के रिलेटेड, डिस्काउंट सबसे आला यहाँ पे होंगे। हम अपनी कस्टमर्स को कह रहे हैं कि आप हमारे पास विजिट कर लीजिए, हमारे डीलरशिप से जो भी आपको रिक्वायरमेंट है वो हम आपको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। अगर इसके बावजूद भी हमने यहाँ पे जो हम मैन पावर यूज़ करें, हम डेडिकेटेड ही यहाँ मागम डिस्ट्रिक्ट या बडगाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट से ही ले रहे हैं, सो दैट एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन भी क्रिएट हो जाए।
थैंक यू।